Hey everybody, it's Jasmine, and today I wanted to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I realized that on my channel I don't really do a lot of challenges, so I thought that this would be kind of new, you know, for the New Year's. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. My phone's right in front of me. It's 9 p.m. right now, so okay, let's catch a breath. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my god, shit, I already dropped something. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, ah! Literally my life. Okay. Bounce this in. This is BB cream. Why is it taking forever to buff in? Oh my god. Yes, girl. Get it. It's like, gotta look good. It's like, is it like a, I don't want to blend it or what? Okay, all right, still need some coverage, please and thank you. Yeah, get that powder. Yeah. Get a girlfriend, yes. Yeah. Tell that girl who's boss. Let's go. Tell what girl? Who am I telling? Oh my god, I have anxiety. Okay. Brows. Cool. Using something new. Oh my god. Okay. Brows are not gonna look this hideous. Blend it out. All right, and then you know what we say when it's messy? Concealer. That's what we say. Get that. Okay, beloved concealer brush. This may be a 5-minute makeup challenge. Eyebrows are always gonna be on fleek. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay, eyes. Let's move on into eyes. Okay, take that face powder. Yes. All right. And then I'm gonna use some bronzer. I don't even know how much time I got. And then make it look like we tried. Let's add a shimmer. Yeah. Cool. Take a smaller brush. Dark bronzer. Get it. Yes. Ooh. She is not blended. That's okay. That is okay. Out the house, ladies. Okay, there it is. Get that. Bitch! Ah! Oh my god! Okay, well, I got one cheek done. Alright, let's just, okay, now we're done. I didn't do that bad. I mean, my complexion looks really good. Right. Let's get up and personal. I mean, listen. My eyebrows don't look that bad. Yeah. I mean, I'm not really that mad at it. I think this is a pretty good job. Like, if I really had to go, like, I would literally like just pack a lip gloss in my purse and then just leave the house, because then I can apply lip gloss like anytime, you know? But hey, we didn't do that bad, you know? Okay. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was fun, and let me know what you guys think. Can you apply full face of makeup in 5 minutes? Let me know. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts.